Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. You may see me wearing the same shirt in two videos, but I am doing two videos today. So that's why in two videos I will be wearing the same shirt. Alright, with that being said, let's get into the video. Making egg rolls. I got cabbage, carrots, green onions, and bean sprouts that I'm going to cook in here. And I also have some ground pork because I'm going to make pork vegetable egg rolls. I'm going to cook those over there in that pot, the meat I am. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and get my cabbage and all that in here. And I already have it heated up with just a little bit of oil. And I'm going to wait to put the green onions in. Just give it a few minutes. I'm going to cook all this first and then mix it all together with the meat, and then I'll do my, roll it up in the wraps. Alright. Well, I got that going. And I'm going to make some a little bit of some seasoning to put in. I'm going to take this off because this makes it hard to dispense it out. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's a lot of vegetables and meat by the time I get all of it in there. And I'm going to put maybe 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm trying to open this pepper up. Alright. And I'm going to put 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. I'll mix that up. And just give it a little bit of flavor. And I'm going to cover this up and let this cook, and then I'm going to get the pork going. Okay, go over here and get the pork in. I'm going to turn that on about 8 to let it start heating up. Wash my hands. Okay, it's finally starting to heat up here. Chop this up. I'm just going to let this cook, and I'll be back in a few. Okay, the pork is ready, and I'm not going to drain it because there's nothing in there to drain. It is dry, so I'm just going to take it and dump it in with my vegetables. I'll mix it all together. And I'm going to get my the rolls out, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got everything ready. These are the wrappers, egg roll wrappers that I'm using. I bought 2 packs because, you know, my family will be able to eat them. What we don't eat today will be put in the refrigerator and be eaten tomorrow. Anyway, I'm using a 1/4 cup. That way I can just fill it up and put it on there with my mixture. A little bit of warm water. I'm just going to take it and brush it around the edges. we're going to take it. Like that. We're going to take this and we're going to move it in. Almost like an envelope. To where it looks like that. And then we're going to roll it. Like that. Another one. Same thing with the sides. Oops, take it in. And roll it. Like that. Okay, now so I'm going to roll all these up because if I record the whole time, we'll be here forever. And I'll be back. We got all the egg rolls rolled up. All together, we have 40 with what I made. Okay. Alright. These brown. Probably shouldn't take no more than a couple minutes per side. Oh yeah, they're ready to be turned. Doesn't take long. A couple minutes, they will be ready to take out and add more in. Last ones are done. Right, they're all done, and now I am going to taste it. Very good. And you can use any kind of sauce, duck sauce, sweet and sour sauce, mustard, whatever you like to, dip them in. That is very good. Please give this recipe a try. That's good. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.